Good morning, Honorable SSS and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak on the topic Make in India, a major initiative launched by Government of India in 2014 to transform India into global manufacturing hub. The primary aim of this program is to promote domestic manufacturing, attract foreign investment, and generate employment opportunity for the youth. Make in India focuses on encouraging companies to manufacture their products within country rather than importing them. It covers various sectors such as automobiles, defense manufacturing, electronics, textile, pharmaceuticals, and renewable energy by improving ease of doing business, simplifying regulation, and promoting innovation. The initiative seeks to strengthen India's industrial base. One of the key benefits of Make in India is joint job creation. With the large youth population, India needs employment oriented growth. Expanding manufacturing industries provide direct and indirect employment, reduces dependence on imports, and strengthen the economy. It also promotes skill development in alignment with programs like Skill India. Make in India is highly important in defense sector. Indigenous production of defense equipment enhances self-reliance, reduces dependency on foreign suppliers, and strengthens national security and aligns with vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. However, challenges such as infrastructure gaps, bureaucratic delays, and global competition remains. Continuous reforms, innovations, and skill enhancements are necessary to fully realize the potential of this initiative. In conclusion, Make in India is not just an economic policy but a vision for national development and self reliance. By promoting manufacturing, innovation, and entrepreneurship, it contributes to economic growth and strategic strength. As future leaders, supporting indigenous development and productive capacity, it is essential for building a strong and self sufficient